Hi, I'm Christian, the lead bike mechanic at Pure Fix. Pro bike cases are great. They keep your bike really safe, but they can be quite expensive. We're going to make your own travel box with some simple packing supplies and a few tools to disassemble your bike on this episode of Pure Fix Garage. If you go to your local bike shop and ask nicely, they'll probably keep a bike box from shipping for free. Tell them to keep all the packaging materials that came inside so that you can use them on your bike. If they don't have any, you can go to a hardware store and get some basic plumbing insulation just like this to protect your frame. If you can't score one from a shop, don't worry, they sell them online pretty cheap. The first thing we're going to do before disassembling the bike is to make sure that the top tube and the down tube are protected. Cut the plumbing insulation to size, tape it, or zip tie it into place. Use your Allen wrench to take off the front of the stem and remove the handlebars. Now put the headset back in place so you don't lose anything. Once removed, add some bubble wrap to your handlebars, take the brake cable and the handlebar, tuck them behind the frame, and secure. Okay, these aren't going anywhere. Next, we're going to remove our pedals. If you use grease while installing these, there should be no problem coming off. I'm going to use the proper tool, which is a pedal wrench, to remove these. Putting the wrench on, if you pedal backwards, the pedals will come off. Now you're going to wrap these in some bubble wrap so they don't bang around in the box. Now remove your front wheel using a 15mm wrench. Once the front wheel is removed, go ahead and wrap any exposed parts with bubble wrap or pipe insulation. We don't want anything on this baby getting scratched. Next step, remove the seat and seat post, and let's go ahead and wrap those with bubble wrap too. Now let's start putting this in the box. Start with the frame and the rear wheel assembly that you have right here. Here's a tip. Cut yourself some extra pieces of cardboard to cover up the axles so they don't poke through the box during shipping. Make sure everything else in the box is secure and add any pipe insulation and/or bubble wrap until you think it's all good. Now this part's important. Make sure all the tools and supplies you use for shipping are inside the box, so when you get to your destination, you can build your bike. It's also going to aid you in packaging it back up to send it home. Once you've got it all together and everything's in the box, we're going to tape it up securely for shipping. I like to write my name on the outside of the box, just in case. This is a simple and cheap way to travel with your bike, but you should first check with your airlines because sometimes it's cheaper to ship your bike to the destination rather than to travel with it. However, the packaging will be the same. If you have any questions about this episode, drop a comment below or hit us up on social media. Thanks again for checking out Pure Fix Garage. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to keep your bike in tip-top shape. Keep the rubber side down, and I'll see you next time.